Green Tech Media reported at the end of July a really, really great thing. The city of Glendale, which is a suburb of Los Angeles, suburb I used to live in, actually. So I'm kind of, a little love for Glendale, has dropped plans to build a gas peak generator in favor of a portfolio of clean energy, of different sustainable solutions. Yay!
That's good. That's very good.
What do we always say here? The grid can only get cleaner.
Yes.
Gas will never get cleaner. The grid, and here is a perfect example of a city making a great decision, not building a natural gas generator, going with other sustainable energy solutions to power their city. That is so awesome. That's me being positive, very positive.
I keep waiting for the other foot to drop.
No, I don't care what it costs. I don't care how many people they kill. It doesn't matter to me. If they're killing puppies to make the stuff, it's all good.
Oh my gosh.
No? Did I say something wrong? Oh, is this another show title?
Positive Russell.
I had to go there, didn't I? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Where did you get killing puppies from?
Well, can't you burn puppies to generate electricity?
You certainly can.
No? Or is that kitties? Maybe it's kitties. They have more fur.
You're just alienating
show title,
everyone with the viewership.
Puppies.
No, don't put that. Put Positive Russell.
We've already had a killing puppy show title, actually, so.
That's already been done.
Yeah. Yeah. Have you watched our show, Evan? It's not nice sometimes. So that's all I got. Yay, City of Glendale. Yay, cleaner grid. Yes, this actually does happen and can happen and will happen more as time goes forward. And that's a good thing because it means our homes are powered by cleaner energy. It means our vehicles are powered by cleaner energy. This is a great step forward.
Are they going for any batteries in this?
Yes, batteries are part of it. But they've
you don't want it to be all of it.
Said no Tesla batteries.
There's other people that
I'm
have
totally
batteries for the grid.
I'm sorry?
There's other people that have batteries for the grid. I was actually going to suggest, did they go with Tesla or Nissan or Mercedes or one of the grid scale people to make some batteries? So obviously solar is going to be part of it. What else is going to be in there?
Part of it is a 75 megawatt, 300 megawatt hour Tesla battery installation.
Oh, wow.
So there you go. What else? God, I have to go back and look now. You're going to make me read the article? Come on. Yeah. So Tesla's part of that. And that's a great thing. Nothing wrong with that. Batteries are a really good idea, especially for peak demand, right?